Not every project goes to plan. I set myself the challenge of rescuing some furniture headed for landfill and upcycling with just my Dremel. My first step was to reshape these arms into something a bit more modern. The wood cutting wheel took off the majority of the excess material, making it easier to sand. I used this with the shaping platform on the side so I could keep a flush finish. To remove the rest of the varnish, all I needed was the flap sanding wheel and a buff to take off those extra burrs. This was when my problem started. I had to remove all of this padding, and some of it was so hard to get off, but the biggest problem was these nails. I tried to reason with it, and then I cried, and then I had a little strop. But I did manage to solve it. I used a cutting wheel to cut it down, a grinding bit to reduce the material, and finally a sanding bit to smooth it out. This will be underneath the webbing anyway, so it won't be seen. Once the chair was ready, I
This is a mistake. Ow.
added some wood stain and the webbing. This part was actually very straightforward. The trick is just to keep it very tight. I can't believe I was able to do this with just one power tool. There's just no dramas with Dremel. Give this a go yourself. I'd love to see what you make.